Hi guys, my name is Nkateko Maluleke. I've been getting a lot of questions on how to add more currencies on your FX account. So it's very simple. This is going to be a very short video. So what I'm going to show you right now is you press here on the add button on top of your MetaTrader 5 account or MetaTrader 4. So then I'll tap there and then you can choose wherever you want there. If I like, maybe let's say, let me choose $, versus rand, and let me choose euro versus yen, and then I'm done. So let me show you. You see, everything is in order. Can you see $, rinja? So everything there. So I was trading the spread was very high. So I was trading. I made a lot of money on this. Thank you. I hope you understand right now.